Hello, my name is Nagsai Buraj. Today's topic, my topic is to do a case study on contaminants detection classification through a IoT-based platform. And here here we can use the different types of environments. Here we are monitoring the environment's background using IoT devices. Here we are using ESP devices. Here using ESP32 by using some different types of sensors to calculate the contaminants in an area. This is the sensor device. This is the sensor device we are using. Here we know it is having some analog ports, digital ports. These are the different. This is the main block diagram of the sensors. This is not so important. Now let us see. This is the configuration. For the contamination detection classification. We can see this is one device. And this is another device. These are different types of devices where they configure two different types of sensor data. It is collected through collected and sent through ESP32 to Bluetooth to via this another Bluetooth one where they can talk to each other and create some kind of structure, and we can classify through the different types of contaminants available in that area. Like contaminants, we can say different types of contaminants in water, or rising and falling of the pH levels of the water. Similar to that, there are different types of contaminants in the air, like CO2, SO2, different types of contaminants in air, and we can even calculate the dust particles through the sensors, different types of sensors. These are the block diagrams of sensors. They are not saying they are using particular type of sensors, but they are some block diagrams. They are the block diagrams of the sensor, and we can see this is the different types of this is the dashboard they are using. Here we can see this is the dashboard they are using. The dashboard contains of some they are using this dashboard to talk to internet and collect the data by using MySQL database, and they are saying the accuracy is more than is more than 0.7, the less of accuracy. Here they are using more number of platform nodes, means they are creating some kind of computer network by using ESP modules and creating the data. And this is the main case study part where they have seen some kind of low power. They are using low power and low cost applications like ESP32 and different types of sensor which are available to the human, and in the schematic we can see different types of training phrase. They are classifying. This is a classification, so they are using training data. They are using the data which is collected by the sensors to train the data through ANN, or they are using artificial neural networks. To train the data, thus sensing the data. We can see here they are using some kind of works. Here they are using, these are the different types of in air. Let us talk about air. In the air you can see there are different types of variations in the patterns. Similar to that, air, acetone, alcohol, ammonia and bleach. There are so many different types of particles available in the water. Only water. This is the different types of data which is collected by the sensors through water. And in let us say in air monitoring system, they are using a personal computer which runs a Java program, and using the ESP32 chips we have discussed above, and they are using work sensors to get the data from the data. Similar to that, they are also using here they have seen that there is some increase in the air quality system. there are some increase in the air quality system. They, when the neural networks runs the classification, thus changing the frequencies, thus changing the different types of contaminants, they can find that the contaminants increase and decrease over time or over seasons. Similar to that, there is an industrial water monitoring system. Same industrial water monitoring system, they are also saying the similar thing, where the water changes, water contaminants changes according to the seasons, and you can see the processing data. We can see the processing data. This is some type of a setup. This is a setup for water monitoring system. We can see different types of components in this, or contaminants in this, different types of contaminants in the water. We can say water is average. Here we can see that water is in average level, and alcohol is very rising. Alcohol and bleach values of the water is very high. Occur more when the seasons change, the alcohol level and bleach level also changes, and NaCl, all salt levels also changes. And we can see the results. In air. For example, in air, the air is more air is more than normal other types of things like acetone, alcohol, everything, salt, everything. In the similar way, we can see in water too, the bleach quality, in water we have some type of air, right? So the air value and water value is average. Water value is average equal to the alcohol value. Thus we can say that in this we have they have faced so many challenges. Like they have to see the cleaned, contained pollutants. They have not check other types of pollutants like algae, etc. There are different types of pollutants in the water. They have to ignore all other pollutants and only see the major pollutants like alcohol, bleach, and salt and detergent, etc. in the water. Thus in the similar way, in air too, these are the references they have used. Thank you.